stop scrolling for 1 second. If you understand English perfectly, but the moment you try to speak, your mind goes blank, this video is going to explain exactly why. And it's not because you're bad at English.
It's because of one broken habit almost every learner has. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to teach you how to break it. Watch till the end, because step 5 alone can change how fast you speak.
Ask yourself, why do you still feel nervous speaking English? Why do you forget words you already memorized? Why do you translate everything in your head first? It's not because you're slow. It's because your brain still treats English like a school subject. Rules, tests, fear of mistakes. But look at a child. They never study grammar. They never memorize word lists. By age 5, they speak fluently. Why? Because to them, English isn't a subject. It's life. So here's your first shift. Stop saying, I'm learning English. Start saying, I'm becoming. Throw away the fear of mistakes. Fluent people mess up all the time and keep talking. Your goal isn't a perfect sentence. It's a real conversation. Every fluent speaker on earth learned the same way. Not grammar first, input first. Listening again and again before they ever spoke a word. That's how babies learn. They don't study, they absorb. Sound, rhythm, emotion, long before they understand meaning. So here's what to actually do. Choose easy English content, not fast, advanced stuff that overwhelms you. Listen with your eyes closed for a few minutes at a time. It sounds strange, but it forces your brain into deep listening mode. Then whisper the words back. Not loud, not perfect, just whisper. That's how you connect listening to speaking. Do this daily, and here's what happens. In a week, English sounds less foreign. In a month, you'll start forming sentences without effort. This isn't magic, it's biology. Here's why you forget vocabulary. You memorized it. You never felt it. Think of the word apple. You don't see letters. You see the fruit, the taste, a memory. That's how real memory works. Emotion, not repetition. So instead of memorizing 50 words a day, learn 5, but learn them deep. Take the word nervous. Close your eyes. Remember an actual day you felt nervous. Now say the sentence out loud, like you're reliving it. I was nervous that day. Your brain just built a permanent memory, not a flashcard. Use every new word in a sentence about your real life, in the mirror, out loud. 5 words a day learned like this beats 100 words memorized and forgotten. You know the word. You've heard the sentence 100 times. But when it's your turn to speak, your mouth freezes. That's not a memory problem. It's a muscle problem. Your mouth has been trained for your native language since birth. English uses different rhythms. Your muscles simply haven't practiced.
So train it like an athlete. Shadow speaking. Play 5 seconds of slow English. Pause. Repeat it exactly. Same tone, same rhythm. Do it on loop. Add tongue twisters to loosen up. And do mirror talk. Speak about your day out loud for 3 minutes with real hand gestures and emotion. 10 focused minutes a day is enough. Fluency isn't quiet. It's physical. This is the one that changes everything. If you're translating every sentence in your head before speaking, you'll always be 1 step behind the conversation. Fluency isn't fast memory. It's direct thought. You don't need big vocabulary to think in English. You need small, everyday thoughts. I'm tired. It's raining. I forgot my phone. That's how fluency actually starts. Not in a notebook, in your internal dialogue. So build this habit. Narrate your day silently in English as you do it. Brushing your teeth, making tea, looking for your keys. Talk to yourself in English when you're deciding what to do next. Name objects around your room in English. Set a 15-minute English-only thinking timer daily. Do this for 2 weeks and something shifts. You stop translating. You start reacting. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak to yourself in full English sentences with eye contact, like you're talking to someone you actually want to convince. This works because you're both the speaker and the listener, with zero judgment. Say simple truths out loud. Me siento cansado. I'm training every day to get better. I'm not afraid of mistakes anymore. Talk through your actual day. Describe how you're actually feeling. I'm training every day to get better. I'm not afraid of mistakes anymore. Talk through your actual day. Describe how you're actually feeling. Record yourself once a week. Listen back. You will hear real, measurable progress. Fewer pauses, smoother flow, more confidence. You've just learned the exact system fluent speakers use without even realizing it. Not grammar rules, brain training. If even one part of this helped, hit subscribe, because this channel is built entirely around helping you actually speak English, not just study it. Try step 5 today. Just 15 minutes, and tell me in the comments, which step are you starting with?